Auston Matthews is running cold. Why? Well, when you connect the dots, you see just how important the dots literally become. Matthews scores almost exclusively from the slot, but in his last 10 games, he hasn't been getting there nearly as often.
Matty's a goal scorer, and getting pucks in good spots around the net so you can do that, I think is important.
During this stretch where Matthews is struggling to score, only 52% of his shot attempts are coming from the slot. And this is a big departure from Matthews' first 21 games when he scored 19 goals, with 73% of his attempts coming from the middle of the ice. Matthews is at his deadliest when he's able to use his world-class shot from inside the dots, and all you have to do is look at his goal locations to see why. Matthews has scored 94 goals in the NHL. Only once in his rookie season has he scored from outside the dots, where many of his attempts have come in the last 10 games. Creating offense from between the dots isn't easy, but Matthews is one of the best in the league at doing it. Once he gets back to creating a high percentage of his shots from there, expect the goals to come quick.